It's Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday.
All right.
Wednesday, Thursday.
So 15 seconds until Advent of Code opens for the eighth puzzle.
That's the number of days.
Right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this looks like something like a hexadecimal lettering. So the written rum only. Okay, for example.
What? What about G-Neg?
Okay. How many times do... Okay, so do I have the input?
Because it's an exam,
oh!
final.
Oh!
Alex, that's quite a lot of input.
That is a lot of letters. Okay, so focus on the easy digits. So that's A, that's B, C. So where's 0? Okay, this is 0. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if...
Yeah, if I had caught you, I think I would have been leveraged off the bet we both got down.
You'd be able to work out which digit. So...
I just have G-Neg on
only digit... Okay, so first thing first is I gotta parse it. So, input, let lines equal that, so then input dot split for each new line, dot for each element, and then we need to let tokens is equal to element dot split, where's vertical line, and then we're only dealing with the first one, but I'm going to parse it anyway. So lines dot push pattern is equal to tokens of 0 dot split with space, and output is equal to tokens of 1 dot split. So now that we've parsed it, what do I need to do? Hold on. So now that I've split it, what do I do with the output? So
you don't?
Wait, FG. So just FG.
So there's oral exam on Wednesday and Thursday.
You feel ready for that?
GCBE. G.
But like tomorrow.
GC.
Yeah. For some people.
GC.
You're gonna try and do it on Thursday instead?
Yeah, I already signed up for Thursday.
Hold on.
Is this even doing anything? Is it audio? George's
Hold on. So dab.
He did streaming?
See, because only the 7 is the only digit that uses 3 segments.
Oh.
Upside down Genshin.
That's. I don't want to be the Genshin experiencer.
Oh, okay.
This is for you.
Because one only has 2. Okay. Okay, I got it. So, 1. And so, we go through the output. So, 4, let I equals 0, I is less than lines dot length, I plus plus. And then 4, let j equals 0, I'm not in. J is less than lines of I.
Really?
Dot output dot length j plus plus. If lines of I dot output j dot length is equal to 1 or 2, we need let 1, 4, 7, and 8 is all equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. That's a funny thing. So if it's equal to 1 plus plus. So 4, 7, 8. So 8 has. So 7
Probably shouldn't do that.
has 3.
I trust a case.
4 has 4, and then 8 has all 7 of them on.
Oh no, I have fallen asleep.
And then
Mysteriously.
1,
Oh no.
1 plus
Sleep at
4
night. I
plus
can't
7
move.
plus 8. And so now if I run that, 362.
None at all.
So I got 272 on this one. Okay. So now I know after between mapping, it would only make sense. It would only make sense. So through a little deduction, now you should be able to determine the remaining digits.
I'm gonna actually do it.
So,
Am I gonna fold it all? Probably not. It'll be fun.
oh, okay. So
Yeah, one more.
if you add up all the output values, so now you're supposed to go to here, and you're supposed to add up. You're supposed to figure out what each of these are. So if I go to this example here, if I know this is 8 because it has 7. So now I need to let decoded is equal to
Some
that.
things are getting done. Like the laundry in like
Okay, so
6
then
minutes.
You said 6 minutes, like 12 minutes ago.
now I need to do
Time flies.
what I do pattern.
Damn, you're just gonna live with exact.
So there should be 9 of them. There's 10 of them. Oh, because 0. So the only unique ones. So 0 is 6, 2 is 5, 3 is 5, 5 is 5, 6 is 3, or 6 is 6, and then so 1's on a league on its own. 2 is 5, 3 is also 5. Oh, 0 is on a 4 is on a league of its own. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. So this is how it's distributed. So
This is just like I'm just like
depending on
But when I have my squishmallows,
depending on this. So
falls.
this really says a lot about our society. We just hate to see it.
I hate to see lonely people.
Okay, so now since we know the pattern, if it's that specific length,
You just still
then
use it,
we need to be decoded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shouldn't be typing it all out. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In fact, it should just be an array. I don't even know what I'm thinking about. New array 10. So if the pattern length is equal to 1, then decoded of 1, I mean, is equal to that pattern. And same for the rest of these, except so if it's 4, then it's 7, or if it's that, it's 4, 7, 8. So that tells us that. Else, if it's not any of those links, that must mean it's either a 5 or a 6. And so if it's a 5 or a 6, so if
Yeah.
lines pattern of j dot length is equal to 5. Do this else if it's equal to 6. So what we can do is we can actually, I think we can sort it.
Scroll all the way off the
So
back.
let sorted equal patterns dot split based off, well, nothing. So nothing dot sort dot join. So this should be sorted. Console dot log sorted. And I'll do just 3 of them. Oh, and I need a join by nothing. 1 is not defined. Okay, well, yeah. Return 0 just for now. So, A, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then A, B. I'm trying to see if there's any repeating ones. So, there should be 9. So for this one, A, D, F, G. Okay, so then A, D, E, F, G. What? That's not a number. Wait, how would we... Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So, just because we know... Well...
After these two, we only got one more.
Oh, okay.
I have some more Tide Pods.
So E,
I mean, I'm
A,
not gonna do.
F,
I'm not
B.
gonna rack up.
Well, we know...
Thing of laundry that I can't just bring home to do at my house by the time we leave, so I shouldn't be worried.
Well, the thing is, like, we have...
I was just left with no laundry. It's like, I've got the soap. I'm ready to go.
I see what we have to do.
Okay.
So...
Honestly, understandable.
Now, how do we automate that? That's a big thing. Is how do we automate this? Because obviously, I'm not going to do 200 of these by hand. Let possible. Oh, well, I need to. Let possible hex equals an array. New array of 7. And 1, 2, 3. So this one is 1. So we should, I'm gonna just get this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A so possible hex of 3, so 2, dot push that pattern dot split by nothing, and then dot dot dot. And it also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 also needs to be pushed by that. So then this one's 4, so 4 is the 2, 5, but it's also the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. And so the 7 is 0, 2, and 5. So, and then this one is just all of them. So 2, 3, 1, 5, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, and 6. So perfect. So now what we can do is we can console.log possible hex. I'm just gonna do that so I can add 7. That's 7. Oh wait. Wait a minute. Okay. Literally all of them were pushed. As I would say, all of them are here. So it doesn't help. I don't know why. Okay, well I don't need to sort it then.
Couldn't have gone better. I'd like to see anyone try. No, I would.
Okay, so that at least detects what the 5, 2, and 3 are. It needs to somehow get that right. So it needs to get that information out of the here.
Could you put it on like a desk?
It's on my notebook.
Or like on something that's not
Just
the
not
I
a-
see
not
why.
a steppy area.
Yes.
Okay.
That bitch will die. There you go.
I'm frankly, after you get all your data off of there, I'm ready for it.
So it's kind of difficult because how do I tell a computer to do this? Because I know I can do this. It's basically like a Sudoku solver, except for I need something to write with.
It's fine, but it's fucky.
Okay. So bam, 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 bam.
Keyboard and there's just you need like a proper setup, man, for like doing all your things that you like to do.
Okay, so 8's kind of not going to be helpful here. So maybe I don't need to do this because 8 has all of them already.
Well, maybe you just stupid then.
And so 7 is going to help us tell at least 3 of them.
Look, I'll be roasted. Look. Don't hate the play. Hit the game. Come on.
This A, B. This must be D. Okay, I see what I have to do. So instead of having to add it all, I need to go through it backwards. So 4. So if we just use the 4, 7, and the 1, we get these 2, and then the 8. And then the 8 would determine these 2. The problem is that the only things that we can get, the only thing that's specific is the D, because these 2 would be for 4, and this one would be for 1.
Hey, Alex?
And, yeah?
Do you need the airwaves to be clear?
The what?
The, like, you know, the speaking space, or can I be talking to you?
I mean, you can talk, it's just, I don't know how well.
I'll keep it to a minimum.
Okay. So if we give the 4, 4 is what? EAFB, so EAFB. So actually, I see what I have to do. So something that's in all of them, and so we have E A F B, and then A C E D F B. If it's in all of them, then that has to be in either 2 or 5, and then that would leave, so whatever is left in this one is what 0 is, and then this one is what is that 1 and 2, 0 1 2 3, or 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and then you do the same sort of thing there, and then that's what's left in 4 and 6. And so, like I said, the only specific one that we have. So okay. So let decoded equal an array. So if it's 2, decode of 0 is equal basically remove all the possible hex. So no more possible hex. Decoded is actually just an array with 4 things in it, and then it's just 0 1 2 3, and then we don't need this. And then we just need to console.log decode. So this tells us what the first one is, second one is, third one is, and fourth one is. So what we can do is with this decoded, I gotta put decoded and the outside here. I'm gonna just get this bigger. So if let's say lines I, we need to go through each of them. So for I equals 0, or the line k is equal to 0, k is less than well, I know there's 4 in there, so we could just say, so let me see. So the ones, the 2 and 5 should have a frequency of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then that should give us the 7 because you get rid of it.
You gotta watch my screen.
Okay, so let letters equal this, not A equals B, A0, B0, C0, D0, E0, F0, and G0. So that should tell us that. And then go through it. And so what we can do is we can do decoded of 0 dot split by nothing dot for each element letters of element plus plus. And then decoded dot for each element, and then we can do element dot for each letter, and then console dot log letters. I guess we can just do this for now to figure out these. So we got 4, and then 2, 2, 2, and then the 1. So the ones in C, G are in the 8. So C and G, and then the 1 letter. Okay, so A and B must be in 2 or 5. It's 2 or 5, A and B. So there's that. So then we have let 2 or 5 is equal to object dot keys of letters dot filter element based off if letters of element is equal to 4. And then we also have 4 or 6 if letters is equal to 1. And so that gets the 2 or 5 or the 4 or 6 out of the way. And then let 7, or let 7, it's whatever, let 0 equal, So it'd be the one, so it'd be whatever. Okay, so decoded of 7 is, that's 2 dot replace 2 or 5 0 with nada dot replace 2 or 5 1 with nada. Let and then it would be 1 or 3 equals that is equal to 2 and element not equal to 0. So if we console.log all those 2 or 5, 4 or 6, 0, 1 or 3, I was about to say, so A, B, so that it actually filtered correctly. Was not expecting that. Cool. So, and then decode it's not defined. Correct, because it's not defined. So now that we know where each of these go, we'll pull admin of code back up. Now that we know where each of these go, now how are we going to figure out the 3 letters? So C is if I look here, a 4 or 6. So that would be a 4 or 6. So how I would, so C would be, so C, D, F, B, E, so 4 or 6. D would be a 0, no matter what. F would be a 1 or a 3. So, and then a 1 or a 3 there. And then B would be a 2 or 5. So 2 or 5. And then 2 or 5. 2 or 5. 2 or 5. And then E.
30 minutes.
Wait.
And then
Less
E
than.
would be a 1 or a 3.
Get the fuck off of Minecraft.
Which would be the opposite of this one.
Get the
So,
fuck off of Minecraft.
So be opposite of whatever F is. I see the problem.
Right.
And then which one would be like a viable thing? I need to see a little bit of help from the Reddit. Well, I have that. I was gonna say everyone has their part 1. What? Okay. Wait. Oh, I didn't think about that. Okay. I knew. So, what I could do is I could take, so say, a 5. Well, let me write them all out. Let me see which one's the most efficient to be taken out. And then a 3. I was about to say, if you just remove whatever, so we know, yeah, we can do this. Oh yeah. Decoded. Okay. So we already know what the decoded is for this one because they're already unique. So we don't need to do any of this. In fact, element dot length is equal to 4. And that's decoded 1. So that will give us this, depending on what the length is. So 2, 3, and then 7. So I mean, obviously we can console.log decoded just to see this. Okay, so yeah, that's right. And so what we can do is we can say decoded 3 is equal to find where it's equal to 5, where the length is equal to 5, which is one of the not unique ones. And if we remove whatever is in 1, it gives us a length of 2. And if we do element dot split dot remove duplicates 2 arrays. There we go. Dot filter and element dot split this one's gonna be, hold on, so let me do let split is equal to element dot split, let decoded 1 split as well. So then what we can do is we can say return split dot length is equal to 5 and split dot filter and then element, or I'll just do Ella here, and then split dot filter Ella dot, and then split dot index of
Coral sucks, you bag of balls.
1 Ella is equal to -1. I'm looking at some code from. And so instead of array, we need to do split. This needs to be 1.
God damn it, Alex. I can't remember the choral syntax now that I did fucking...
No! I can't believe you. Okay, decoded. So 3. Oh, we can't find it. Not element dot split. Decoded of 1 dot split. There we go. And so now, if we check what 3 is, FB. Okay, yeah. So good. That's good. So then we can do the same for 5, but instead, if we filter it with the 4th one, I'll just do other, just so so this could be, I can copy and paste it. So if it's 5, and then decoded 4, and then it's 2. So then if that's 5, where's my admin of code? 5, CD, yep, okay. So yeah, I got a working strategy. And then finally 2, split dot length, and then element is not equal to decoded 3, and element is not equal to decoded 5. And so that should give us the second one. It is not.
Yeah, wait, hold on. I just gotta click frenzy.
I have to do this decode. Alright, not 5, 2. And this one doesn't need a return.
It's simulating the fake coding language that we had to learn for GNAG.
There we go.
I can just tell you that.
Do it then.
Alright, go back.
I have to make a program!
Undefined.
Yeah, so did we all.
And so did we all.
Check this.
Wait, dollars per...
It's the exact same as like that other one that we did. Or that one required homework problem that we did.
Decoded 2 is equal to patterns. Not element is equal to 5. Element dot length is equal to 5. There we go. So now that we have those two, now we can do the same thing, but for 0. So let me do 0. Hold on. 0. Okay, if you do that, and then how's 6 formatted? How is it formatted? Where are you? 6. Okay. And then 9. So good news, if I format 6 with 1, it should leave us with 5, and leaving the others with 4. So that should be able to get rid of 6. So that's one of this one. So this is 1. So if it's equal to 6, and if it's equal to 5, yeah, 5. And this is for 6. And then 6, so 6, if I can find my admin of code again. What was 6? 6 was CD. Okay, yep. So finally, wait, what? 3, 2, 4. Okay, I copied and pasted it too many times. Boom. So then we need 9. So let me see if you plug in. Okay, they both be 3. If you plug in 4 here, it'd be 2. Oh, but it'd be 3. Okay. So it's basically the same thing as the one before, except instead of it being 5, the length of 5, 6, 6, and this is being not 6 and 9. This is 0, and then this is 9. And then if you plug in, if you put 4, it should be 2. Yep. Okay. Now, oh, here we go. So, 0, cage, AB, and then 9 is... Okay, yep. So we have filtered it. Good job, me. And so now we need to take the output. So let number equal that. What is it? Lines of I dot output dot for each element. Number plus equals. So we have element. So decoded dot index of elements. So if this all works, we should get 5353. -1, -1, okay. Console log element. Wait. Oh, we have to sort it. And an index of dot split. This is where we would sort it. Dot sort. Dot join. Okay, not. We need to do that for all of these. Doop. 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 Doop, 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 doop. 2, 3, 2, 3. So that's not. It's almost correct, but it's not quite correct. So like console.log decoded. So the one, so 2, so B, C, D, F, B, C, D, E, F. Oh. They, as would say, they shouldn't have the same one. Yes, they shouldn't have the same one. 5 and 2. Yeah, no, so something went wrong in this 5 and 2 logic. So if yes, but so 4, it should be 2, it should be 3 there. There's a bug in my program, which isn't a shocker.
Wade? need to prioritize toolsmith and armorsmith max level ups.
It would get rid of the. It would get rid of the. BF, so it'd be CB. And then this would get rid of. This would get rid of these two. I don't know why it wouldn't be working. CDF. Wait, so this is for 5, right? Which is right. Trying to see, there's only 2 of those. Yeah, so yeah, B, C, D, E, F. So something wrong with 2, which should be A, C, D, F, G. Oh, it's because I'm going to do the split dot sort after all. And then decoded dot map element dot split dot sort dot join. And so that should fix that. And split dot sort dot join. Okay, a whole bunch of negative ones. Okay.
Yeah.
Console.log decoded.
No, the paper guy is in our house.
Uh-huh.
It did terrible on it. Is there only 1 attempt? Oh, so it's fixing it twice.
So then it
I'm
should
not
be
tired.
decoded of index.
We're 33 out of 45. Because of the way that it's formatted.
Yeah, it's formatted like trash.
Like, how can you
Okay,
upgrade
there we
on
go.
typed
Finally,
responses?
God.
That's some bullshit.
Yes.
They're stupid.
So
5
then
out
we
of 10,
need.
5 out of 5, 5 out of 5.
I'll leave that there. Let
Hilarious.
sum
I'll
equal
take
0.
that
Return
1.6
sum.
out of 5?
Sum plus equals parse
This was did I
int
do anything wrong
number.
Uh,
Alright, finally. So now if I were to confirm this.
Then put num1 in the output. If num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, put num2 to output. Else, put num3 to output.
It's greater than or equal to.
yeah, it's good.
That's what I heard from someone else.
Why?
Because they're evil.
I need my actual input.
Oh, I mean, are they like? I
That
guess
doesn't
I'll
seem
understand
right.
One day. I'm not a coder.
No, it's just some bullshit.
Oh, because I have to go through all of it.
How did I do this? How did I do this wrong?
The question 5 or the question 4?
Question 4.
There we go.
So you got.
Oh,
It's this
please be
standard
right. This took
deviation.
so long.
I didn't
Oh
get
my
like
god, it's not right.
either. I think they just wanted 3.
Why did I do that?
Because I put 2.8.
That's fucked up.
But yeah, question 3 was false because they didn't do the dependent variable as the x-axis. Or they didn't do the independent variable as the x-axis.
This is a better graph anyway.
No, it's not. Because, like, time will be the independent variable.
Yeah, but like, I like the way this graph looks better than the way it would have looked the other way.
You're silly.
Why did I do? What's wrong about this? This is all correct.
Did you put m to the
Let me
second,
see
you put
what's
s,
happened.
you were supposed to
If that's
put,
right.
So, A was supposed to be
Um,
grams.
say, oh, that's not right.
Or A was supposed to be J.
A should be.
So we got
It's meters squared over
8,
seconds
3, 9,
squared.
4,
in order
9,
to
7,
make
8,
joules.
1, 1, 1, 9, 7,
That's correct.
9, 3, 6,
You're
1,
trying to
4,
find
8,
the
7, 3, 4, 8, 1.
You're making an equation for the constant.
Oh,
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah,
The
but
constant 0.90 should be meters squared per second.
no, but it's Q divided by. So it's Q divided by the.
For a minute.
I'm sorry.
I love it. Not right in this moment.
I see what it could go wrong.
Maybe the Q's gotta go somewhere. So it would have been J over meters.
No.
Yeah.
No. The whole point is that the units have to be the same on both sides. So the Q is in joules.
Yeah.
Which is meters squared per second squared times fucking mass. So this unit, because this is mass,
So this is 0. That's
and
1.
this
That's
is change
2.
in time, change in temperature,
That's
then this should be
3. That's
meters
5.
squared per second squared degrees Celsius. That's what that unit has to be in order for the units to be equal on both sides.
And then
So I was
need to
right,
do
It
line.
was wrong.
They just wanted J. They just wanted J over.
Bag C.
Like they wanted it to be joules.
So that's A,
Just
B,
wanted
C,
to
E,
just
G.
be J joules
A, B, C,
over.
E, G. So that's, yeah, that's
grams
2.
Time.
Grams.
But that's not
Celsius.
right. I see.
That's what I did on the second part.
Yeah, you thought too hard.
I did better than they
Wait, so hold
wanted
on.
me to do, and they punished me for it. I did more work. You know what? Fuck it. I'm taking the exam tomorrow, and if it's not hand graded paper tests, I'm just gonna walk out of the
It's
exam.
paper test.
I'm gonna walk out of the exam. It's not a paper test.
So if I do 3 and I do
Very, very evil. I'm sorry. I was very upset there for a minute.
You're fine.
That's on me. Not okay. Unacceptable.
Yeah.
Let me see what my assignments are. Did I get it?
I should probably head back soon.
It's time. It's true. I might even go to sleep at a good time.
Oh, yeah, I can't do that because
Lab 8 post quiz, who needs it? Nova Evolution Lab mini report? Not for me. Turn in Lab 9 mini report.
well, I mean, I can
here.
also just do
HHM. The fuck?
and
No, all of that is long past. Yeah, doesn't even exist. Okay,
and
great.
element
post
is not
test,
equal to decoded.
Chapter 30 balls, smart stick.
I can do that same
Lab
thing
10
for
post
here.
quiz. Oh, everything due tonight has been turned in.
Is not equal to
Absolutely
3.
amazing.
There we go. Split undefined at 7. Oh wait, oh. 6 1. Okay. 6 1 2 2 9. Okay, that is right. Oh, can I put in the actual input and it be right? That's a big old number. Please. Can you put your code in chat when you're done? Yes, I can. Why? Oh, it's because it's over here. Oh! Oh, I did it! Oh, it took me an hour. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I did it. And I was actually, it's not that bad of a rank because I have no idea what